The cosmos whispers to us, not in words, but in the silent language of light and motion, in the rare arrivals that cross the vastness of space to reach our tiny world. These are the rare visitors from the stars, cosmic travelers that journey unimaginable distances, carrying secrets from far beyond our solar system. On July 7, 2025, astronomers made a remarkable discovery. A new interstellar object named 3I/Atlas was detected streaking through the darkness by our vigilant sky watchers. This is only the third confirmed interstellar object to ever enter our solar system, a true cosmic messenger, bearing stories from another sun. Unlike ordinary comets or asteroids, 3I/Atlas is a time capsule from a distant star system, a direct sample of alien worlds, untouched for millions of years. Interstellar objects are true wanderers, ejected from their home systems by gravitational forces and set adrift, traveling alone through the emptiness for eons. Their paths are not bound to our sun, they pass through, then vanish into the dark, continuing their endless journey between the stars. Discovering one is a triumph of technology and vigilance. Atlas, our sky sentinel in Chile, spotted this fleeting visitor as it raced past. Instead of a threat, it brought us a piece of another solar system, a fragment of cosmic history delivered right to our doorstep. Each interstellar object is a rare opportunity to study the chemistry and origins of distant worlds, offering clues to the mysteries of planet formation and the ingredients for life. 3I/Atlas reminds us that the building blocks of planets and life are not unique to Earth. They are scattered throughout the galaxy, waiting to be discovered. This is not just a rock, it's a profound connection to the wider cosmos, a tangible link to the mysteries that lie beyond our solar system. The universe is more interconnected than we ever imagined, and every new messenger from the stars brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmic story. Before 3I/Atlas, only two interstellar objects had visited us. The first, 1I/Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, was a bizarre, elongated object that accelerated mysteriously, sparking wild theories even about alien technology. It left us with more questions than answers. The second, 2I/Borisov, arrived in 2019 and behaved like a classic comet, complete with a glowing coma and tail. Borisov reassured us, icy bodies like those in our solar system exist elsewhere. Together, Oumuamua and Borisov showed us the diversity of interstellar visitors, one strange, one familiar. They proved our solar system is a crossroads, not a closed fortress. These discoveries prepared us for surprises, and in 2025, the biggest surprise yet arrived, 3I/Atlas, a visitor grander than we'd ever imagined. Each new object expands our understanding of what drifts between the stars. The unexpected is now expected. A 3I/Atlas was first seen as a faint speck, barely distinguishable from the background stars, a subtle glimmer that hinted at something extraordinary lurking in the vastness of space. It was flagged by the Atlas Survey, a network of telescopes designed to spot potential threats and rare visitors from the depths of the cosmos. Astronomers quickly traced its path and confirmed. This was no ordinary object, but a hyperbolic interstellar visitor, traveling on a trajectory that would never return to our sun. Its speed is staggering, over 137,000 miles per hour, far faster than any comet or asteroid bound to our solar system, a true cosmic interloper. But what truly sets it apart is its size, about 20 kilometers across, making it a giant among interstellar objects, dwarfing most comets we've ever seen. For comparison, Oumuamua was just a few hundred meters, Borisov about a kilometer. 3I/Atlas is a mountain-sized behemoth, rewriting our expectations for interstellar visitors. It entered from the direction of Sagittarius, likely originating from a distant star in our galactic plane, carrying secrets from another solar system. Its retrograde orbit takes it past the Sun, inside Mars' orbit but always at a safe distance from Earth, allowing us to observe it without fear. Unlike Oumuamua, 3I/Atlas is clearly an active comet, with a bright coma and a streaming tail visible even from afar, a sign of volatile ices vaporizing in sunlight. This activity confirms it's a primordial, icy relic from another planetary system, untouched since its formation billions of years ago. Its massive size and active nature make it a scientific goldmine, offering clues about the building blocks of planets beyond our own. For the first time, we have the opportunity to study a truly giant interstellar comet up close using our most advanced instruments and telescopes. 3I/Atlas offers an unprecedented window into the chemistry and history of distant worlds, revealing what other solar systems are made of. This is a landmark event in astronomy, a rare chance to unlock the mysteries of the universe and expand our understanding of the cosmos. The sheer scale of 3I/Atlas challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Our models predicted small interstellar objects would be common, giants like this, rare. Finding such a massive visitor so soon is statistically shocking, like catching a whale on your first cast. Either we're incredibly lucky, or our theories need revision. If large interstellar comets are common, planet formation may be more chaotic than we thought. These giants could be crucial for spreading water and organics across the galaxy. 3I/Atlas isn't just a bigger comet. It's a pristine, preserved sample of its home system. It's an encyclopedia of another world waiting to be read. Interstellar objects are time capsules, letting us study alien chemistry without leaving home. By analyzing the light from 3I/Atlas's coma, we can identify its elements and molecules. We search for water, carbon, and organics, the ingredients for life. Comparing its makeup to our own comets reveals whether solar system formation is universal or diverse. Its size and activity make it easier to study than any previous interstellar visitor. Isotope ratios in its gases can even hint at where in the galaxy it formed. Thanks to advanced sky surveys like ATLAS and the Rubin Observatory, we're now catching these rare travelers. 3I/Atlas is only the third, but many more are likely to come. Each one adds a piece to our galactic family album. A new era of discovery has begun. Whenever a mysterious object arrives from the stars, we wonder, could it be artificial? Oumuamua's odd behavior fueled speculation, but 3I/Atlas is different. Its bright coma and outgassing are classic signs of a natural comet. Its path is fully explained by gravity. No strange accelerations, no evidence of control. Nature can create objects of this size. Our own solar system once had many. The evidence is clear. 3I/Atlas is a natural relic, not an alien spacecraft. But that doesn't diminish its wonder. The universe itself is the grandest architect. The arrival of 3I/Atlas has triggered a global race to study it, uniting astronomers and scientists from every corner of the world in a shared mission. This rare visitor from beyond our solar system has captured imaginations and sparked urgent collaboration. Telescopes worldwide, including the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, are gathering precious data before this mysterious object vanishes from view. Every observation could reveal new secrets about its origins and the vast interstellar space it traveled through. The window is short. By late 2025, it will slip behind the sun, making it impossible to observe, and then fade into the interstellar dark, continuing its lonely journey through the galaxy. Why not send a probe? Its incredible speed and unpredictable path make interception impossible with current technology, leaving us to rely on remote observations for now. Future missions will need rapid response probes and advanced propulsion systems to catch such fast-moving visitors, pushing the boundaries of engineering and imagination. The Rubin Observatory, with its cutting-edge technology, will help us find more interstellar objects, giving us more time to prepare and perhaps even intercept them one day. 3I/Atlas inspires us to push the boundaries of exploration, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. For now, we watch from afar, humbled by this cosmic giant and the mysteries it carries from distant worlds we may never see. It reminds us how much we have yet to learn, and how many wonders still await discovery in the vastness of space, challenging us to keep searching. The universe is full of messengers from afar, and our journey to understand them has only just begun. Each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos.